Alright, relax now. Completely relax. Close your eyes. Focus your attention on the areas I tell you, and you need to observe in your body if there is any changes in energy, vibration, any sensation, moving vibration or stuckness of energy. Anything if you feel, just notice it. I will ask you after my observation, means after your observation is over and my diagnosis is over. First, focus on your face region, around your third eye. Look if there is any energy trying to push you out of your forehead, third eye region, the region between your two eyebrows. Is there is any thumping vibration of energy which is trying to, just like knocking at the door, that kind of feeling? If it is there, just notice it. If it is not there, then also observe it. Also around your head, on top of your head, now focus your attention on top of your head and notice if there is any energy, strong energy around your right brain or left brain or at the back of your brain. While you are observing this, also observe the movement in your spine from tailbone to your spinal cord and brain connecting region, means at the back of your neck. Is there any upward or downward movement of energy or energy blockages? And this way, also now observe in front of your body from your neck region to your pelvic bone, pelvic region, around your abdominal region. One by one, start observing from your chest region, especially in the center of your chest. You may feel congestion or some strong vibration trying to push out of your system. And also some blockages in your solar plexus region, the diaphragm region. There could be many blockages, as I can see. And again in your abdominal area, there is certain kind of fear energy. There is certain kind of blockages which is restricting you from living life. And many things are, means there are many problems in your life that are not getting solved. So those are creating a lot of fear in you and you fear a lot of things. So prime energy in you is fear. Alright, now you can open your eyes and you can tell me your version of whatever you felt in your body. Alright. Okay, are you comfortable with English, or means can you speak English? It will be better for me if you can speak English, okay? Because the communication will be much smoother. Okay, to try to speak in English. Yes. Okay. You speak English which is understandable. Okay, so your confidence about not speaking English is coming from your mind. So keep it aside. You can speak good English. Okay, so just you need to speak it. Okay, and there is no one to judge you about your English. It is about communication. Okay, so speak English. You can speak it very well, according to me. All right. Now, first thing is that let me tell you, this diagnosis, my approach, 15 minutes, 5 minutes I have diagnosed you, and next 10 minutes you can ask me question and I will be guiding you towards what action you should take in your life, what you should do, and how I can help you in the coming time through consultations and through real projects which may happen in future if you need it or if you are eligible. Okay, but you need to know that you are in the Kundalini Awakening journey. Your Kundalini has awakened and it is blocked in the solar plexus region, mainly around the area which is connected to your career and finances and professional life, and that has been disturbed, and lot of blockages need to be cleared, lot of karmas need to be burned. So I will come to that later, but need to know that your Kundalini has awakened, and since your Kundalini has awakened, there is lot of demand of Kundalini which you need to give. For example, I will be asking you few questions before you ask me question. One thing, what is your age? 23. And what are you doing right now? Are you a student or you are working professionally? Graduation? In which area? Bachelor of Arts. Okay. And how many means are you connected to your family? Are you staying with your family members who are in your family? Yes. Who are in your family? Okay. Yes. So right now you are the single person, means single child in your home, and are your parents supportive of your condition? Are they supportive? Whatever you are going through? Okay, good. So you have a solution. I just wanted to know that if you can support your uh, transformation, whatever is happening in you, then I can work on you. First thing, you are going through all the challenges of Kundalini leads to brain and nervous system problem. So you are also going through the same. Your nervous system has become more sensitive. In scientific term, we can say that you are going through neurosis. Neurosis is a condition which is connected to nervous system disorder, which happens due to extreme sensitivity to Kundalini energy. And you keep on shaking, you keep on vibrating. And there is no solution in medical science or any Ayurveda or anything about this. The only solution is with me, and you will be healed if you devote the way I guide you. Then in 30 days, you will get first sign of healing, and in 100 days, you will get better and better, and in 1 year, you will be healed completely. You will become a normal person. But you have to consistently follow whatever breath work I teach you, whatever action I tell you to do, and I need to know where, in which city or place you are right now. Nasik city. So do you have lots of greenery and means national parks or that kind of place nearby? Lots of, I need lots of greenery around your place so that you can do the actions which I will tell you to do. Do you have a park? Do you have a park nearby? Yes. And do you travel? Can you travel to different places if required for certain time? Right now, do you have any exams? Are you going through any exams? No. Okay. All right. Now you can ask the questions and I will be guiding you what you can do immediately. Okay. Start telling. Hmm. Hmm. So first, yes. First, yes. Yes. Hmm. So let me laugh first. Okay. Let me laugh first because I know what the stupidity is happening in the world in the name of Kundalini and Kundalini Yoga. Kundalini is energy, the cosmic energy which is in the dormant state in your root chakra, correct? And now if it awakens, you have done all wrong things. First of all, you have tried to do the third eye concentration, which is without the guru. Without the guru, you started doing this. That is the wrong thing. Second is you went into addiction. Now, addiction is something, I will give you a different perspective. You don't have to feel guilty about addiction. You have to know about how you go into addiction. Kundalini, yes, but, yes, correct. Yes. So neurosis is a problem with the nervous system, which has different variations outside. Multiple sclerosis is one of them. Alzheimer is one of them. Then dementia is one of them. Bipolar is one of them. Schizophrenia is one of them. So all these are different names given to the problems connected with brain and nervous system. And why this happens, if you want to educate yourself, then start watching all of my videos which are connected with this brain and nervous system, and you will get highly educated about your problem, why it is happening. But why is given there, now how to solve it. Okay. Now I have shared one video link with you which is based on the same problem which happens due to the effect of psychedelics. Now you need to know that you have to promise yourself that in your entire life you will never go into addiction ever. If you go, you will die. It is that simple. Kundalini will kill you, and these addictions come up to burn your karmas, and your karmas of unconsciousness. It is very simple. I am taking you to a very simple route. Unconsciousness versus consciousness. This journey is all about it. Kundalini is making you conscious. At 23, your age is means you are a very young person and you have a long life ahead. You have a great life ahead. Your destiny is very good. Okay, but at this moment, it is a very much of transition period in your life. So if this period you survive, if this period, there will be also tendencies of committing suicide sometimes. If you have gone through it, yes. Okay, so you have come to me at the right time. You don't need to commit suicide. Take this as a death of the ego, death of the one who is of the world, of the matrix. I will be guiding you towards everything which you need to do henceforth. You have already gone to Rishikesh, but you don't need to meet me. I will be your guru. I am your guru, and that is why you have met me at the point of death. This is the point where the guru saves you, saves your life. So you have come to me. You don't have to worry about anything from this day onwards. After this session, what you need to do, you book one 30-minute session or 60-minute session where I will be giving you healing sessions. Okay, and healing session, I will be teaching you techniques also. If you do that technique in 30 days, you will be over with this problem, whatever suicidal tendencies you are having. So first I will focus on getting rid of this problem of your life. Okay, so how to do it? Every 7 days, at least, first you take one session of 30 minutes. I will be teaching you Kund breathing technique. That also, and also I will be giving you energy transmission. I am extremely powerful. When you do in my presence, Kundalini moves and Kundalini knows that I am taking care of the Kundalini in you. And she knows that I will be making everything better. So you will be healing from your current condition. After that, I will give you practice to do. You will do it for 7 days. It will be, suppose 30 minutes of session, 4 times a day. Like this, I will be giving you sessions. You will get better and better. At the same time, I will give you some action plans. For example, go in the morning in nature and ground yourself in the grass. This kind of things. So you watch Sanju frequency movie first. Then you keep on watching all the episodes. After that, there is a playlist. Sanju frequency movie, negative ions. There are videos on negative ions. Okay, those videos you keep on watching every day and start implementing whatever I have guided you. If I have given the demonstration of dipping my feet in the water, then find some place near your place where you can dip your feet in the water and do that activity. So all these activities you will do simultaneously. So give yourself 30 days time, no need to worry about anything, and you will be healed. First 30 days is commitment oriented. So yes. Yeah. Yes, you will become normal. You just need to process it. Okay, you just need to. Yes. Yes. So listen. The session is over because it is already 17 minutes. So I cannot extend it further. I will just guide you towards the video which you need to watch first, and everything will change after watching this. Have you watched this movie? If not, then watch this movie today. Everything will change after watching this movie. It is the highest hope. If you watch it, you will know everything about it. Okay, 1 second. And I will end the session. You can book another session whenever you feel, and then I will give you time and I will teach you the technique. So you can, yes. Yes, you can book it through the same process. Book a 30-minute session. Yes, yes, if you follow what I say, then everything will be cleared. All right? Okay. So, I will see you in the next session. You book the session and I will see how best I can help you. I can take your session on your condition is you are having neurosis, you have more problems with brain and nervous system, and I will heal you. I am brain and nervous system specialist, so you don't need to worry about it. It will be healed. In 30 days, the suicidal tendencies will go And in 6 months or 1 year time, if you follow what I say, you will be healed completely. You will become normal. Okay, you will become normal. So don't need to worry. First, drop this suicidal thoughts. For this, I will work on you for 30 days. Alright? Okay. Don't worry at all. Watch this movie completely today. Something will shift in you. This is very powerful and you will know exactly what problems you are going through. Okay? Yes. Bye-bye. So I will explain this case. This is a case of a 23-year-old man who is a student and he is going through suicidal tendencies right now because he has done all the wrong things. First, he has done some third eye meditation which activated his Kundalini. Then he went into addictions of alcohol, smoking, psychedelics, cannabis, everything that is not allowed for Kundalini. And then he went to Rishikesh, the Himalayas, and met some yogi or guru, the so-called guru, and he gave him some Kriya Yoga, which actually made his condition worst. He was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis recently when he went to the doctor, and now he is only suicidal about his life, and there is no hope left in his life. And so I have been warning all of you all the time about these issues, but you never listen. You take life for granted. So what is the solution I have given to him? First is, I am telling you, if you are watching this video, go and watch Sanju Frequency movie and you will get to know what kind of challenges you are going through Kundalini and what it is going to lead you to. It is going to lead you to death, and that is certain. And this case has come up at the right time to tell you, to teach you a lesson that if you don't listen and follow to the universal life energy, then you are going to be dead. And this Sanju Frequency movie is going to change everything in your life. And also watch the episodes after the Sanju Frequency movie. You will go to the playlist, you will find at least 10 to 11 episodes on negative ions, Kundalini, and how I can transform you, I can heal you through different methods and with my powers. And I am the only hope. Sanju Frequency is the only hope. Negative ions is the only hope. And if you don't give it to your brain and nervous system, you will be dead. Your brain cannot process what is happening, and it is leading you, your mind is leading you towards death. So all these things are very important for you to know. And next thing is that after that his condition has become worst, and now he has come to me, and here is the hope and here is the solution. So if you too are going through same issues, you can go and book your session. First 15 minutes of diagnosis you can go through, and then I can work on you through further sessions. Alright, have a great day and bye-bye. Thank you.